Right, reversing camera wire. So it comes through the ceiling from the back, through the ceiling into the pillar. Into here. I've marked it there. Okay, then it comes down. Comes down this pillar here. And then I've got it going under the carpet. It goes under the carpet. Across here, I think. It comes under the carpet. And out the back. And then pops out here. The video cable is connected up here. So the video connection is down here. The power, the red to red, is connected down here. And then it also needs a chassis ground, which I'm going to do here. I've got a bolt under here which I can use. So it's connected down here to the chassis. And then that goes up. That goes up to the top where I'm going to show you. So that's the chassis ground cable, the black one. And then we've also got the video cable, the yellow to yellow, another black one. So there's three going up. There's three going up to the radio. I've managed to find a gap up there. Red, chassis ground, black, and the video cable. So it comes from the passenger footwell, and then they all go upwards. They go up. So the three come up here. Just see the red going down there, I think, down that way. And then I've managed to get them up. And they go across the back. They go across the back. And I've got a hole, 20mm hole at the back there on the dash, which I'll show you now. And they all pop out. Here. So they all pop out here. Video cable, look. The red and the black going to the chassis ground. There's the red one, video one. And there's the screen. So they're going to connect. And there's the red and black. Red and black into the way it goes. And there's the screen that I've bought. So this slot is going to connect together. The excess is going to disappear behind that plate. I've took that off. I've got a small hole down the edge. All the excess is going to disappear into there because there's nothing in there. There's nothing in there. I can get my fingers in there. That'll all disappear. And then the screen is going to go here. Hopefully. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just need to get that stuck on there now somehow. That's the yellow video cables connections. Just disappear beyond there. That's all good. Alright. There it goes. There we go, magic, all done. Nice job. Good. Right, let's test them.
More than £1,000.
Right, I'm trying to do these little infill pieces today in there, and I've got a couple cut ready to go. I'll have to carpet that in grey or whatever, but doing that, I've got one for this side as well here. I've got one ready to go in here, but I've had to just stop that because this is where the electrics are going to be, in this corner. Oh, I've got the lights on, by the way, because it's real dark today. Look at me with my lights on. So I've done a temporary rig up. Yeah, so before I start putting this ply panel on to cover this up, I was thinking about the electrics. I thought, I'm going to need a grounding point somewhere, and I've decided to do one here, behind this, just behind this pillar, this plastic trim here. So I've put an M8 bolt there, so you can just get your hand around the back and tie it, fix it on. I've put some insulation in that gap as well. I've ground the paint down around it, so that's got a good contact point onto there. And I think what I'm going to do as well, I've just had another idea. I think I'm actually going to set I've got this negative ground cable here. I've just put the end on and put some heat shrink over it. So I'm just trying to think it's going to be a lot easier for me to do it now while I've got access to it. So I think I'm going to put that on there now, or in the back of there behind the nut. And then this black cable can be left loose out here, and I can attach to it later. But if I do the fixing here now, if I do the connection at the back now, that should make my life easier later on, I think. And I might also do another smaller, just a smaller negative coming off there, because I think the split charge relay needs a point as well. So I'll probably put another smaller wire coming off there, so then I've got that connected as well. Then I can think about putting the ply panel on. See what I mean? I don't want to start putting this on now, and I'm never going to get behind there. So I've done that now while I can do it. Yeah, so just remember, there's a ground point there, M8 bolt. Okay. Right, that's good, I think, for future reference. Big 16mm, and then we've got another washer in there, and I've put the smaller one. That's 1.5 cable. Put that one over the bolt, another nut. So we've got another grounding wire coming out into the floor. Right, that's a good job done. So now I know that that's done, I don't have to be in the back of there again, hopefully.